Hi guys, subscribe and hit the bell button to get all the latest updates from AglaSem.
Hi guys, welcome to AglaSem. We are back again with another topic, that is how to download SBI Clerk Admit Card. SBI Clerk 2018 Admit Card for prelims exam has been released on 6 June 2018. Candidates can download their admit card from the link given in the description box, or they can visit the official website of SBI. Last date to download the prelims card is 30th June 2018. The online exam dates are 23rd, 24th and 30th June 2018, which means the candidate can download their admit card on the exam date also. The prelims are the first phase. After the prelims, the main exams will be there, and the admit card for the main exams will be available after the result declaration of the prelims exam. Now let's see the whole process how one can download their admit card. Visit the official website, that is sbi.co.in/careers, or click on the direct link that is provided in the description box. If you are visiting the official website, you will find the link like current opening link. Click it on it, that is SBI Clerk 2018 Admit Card. The next page will contain the download admit card or call letter for prelim. Click on it. It will redirect you to the login page as shown. Enter your login details and click Login SBI Clerk Admit Card 2018. Your admit card or call letter will appear on the screen. Download. No hard copy of SBI Clerk 2018 Admit Card will be sent to any candidate under any circumstances via post or any other means. That means that you have to download your admit card or the call letter before the deadline. Now let's see the important documents that you need to carry along with the admit card on the exam day. That are passport, Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, voter ID card, passbook, ID card of school or college. One of these documents will be submitted along with the call letter or the admit card at the examination center. There are some important instructions that one should follow on the exam day. No document except for the SBI Clerk 2000 admit card will be allowed inside the center. Any candidate found indulging in suspicious activities will not be allowed to take examination. Mobile phone, calculator or any other device will not be allowed inside the exam center. Don't be late in the examination center. No extra time will be provided under any circumstances. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any query, you can comment your query in the comment section below. All the best from the team AglaSem.